Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn account step by step in a simple and professional way. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type linkedin.com and press search. Step 3. Once the website opens, click on Join Now. Step 4. Enter your Gmail address, then tap Agree and Join. Step 5. Create your password, then type your first name and last name and press Continue. Step 6. Enter your phone number, tap Submit, then type the verification code you receive and press Submit again. Step 7. Enter your location and press Continue. Step 8. Type your job title and company name, then press Continue. Step 9. Enter the 6-digit security code sent by LinkedIn and press Continue. Your new LinkedIn account is now successfully created. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple and professional tech guides. See you in the next video.